Vroom. Vroom, I thought it. Vroom. Drive. Oh, my darling. My sweetie darling. Awesome. Our baby is now a driver. What are you doing?
Turn to this side.
Caleb, what are you doing? Hey, ye Jawa. Driver, we know how to even move the car. What at if the car? No, hey. What will be there? Oh, cow. Oh, Africa now, chicken. Cow, pets are going to pepe pa. Kakrabia broom, pipi. Vroom. Vroom, I thought it. Vroom. Driver Kelly, where are you going? Are you going to Walmart? Really? What are you going to buy then? Are you going to Target? Hey. Hey, you're driving, right? Baba, boom. Where are you going? Are you going to Buffalo Wings? Really? Are you going to break some bones? Driver Bean. Driver, where we? Come and sit down.
It's okay.
Come and sit in your main car. Your main car is here waiting for you. Come. Oh. Shasem.
Hold it. Right.
I'm not so heavy. Oh, my darling. My sweetie darling. I love you. Wow. Say I love you too, mommy. What? What are you saying? Say I love you too, mommy. Say I love you too. This one, it's anything we need to do. Yes, my love. We are going home. Were you able to cash out?
No, I wouldn't see if
I'm not beautiful, right?
the first one I showed you, I'm not saying it, but the side is, they lease it out. So they will bring it. If they bring it, they'll call you.
You see yourself there?
Yeah, so sometimes if you check, you can either lease or finance.